Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you, and a warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities. Before going ahead, give me the confirmation whether I'm audible and my screen is visible to everyone. Yes, Ramchandran sir. Yeah, that's wonderful. So I'm audible and my screen is visible, right? Still other attendees are joining, but I think it's already, yes, the time is already on. So we should start our session without waiting. That's true. Yes, so already I had got a wonderful question. So looking forward for that. Yeah, definitely will be answering everyone's question. And before going ahead, just a minute. Yes, so first of all, before going ahead, warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities and specifically this commodity Pathshala. How many of you are connecting with me for the first time? Can I get a quick reply for that? How many of you are connecting this commodity Pathshala? See, basically, I'm really glad to start this commodity Pathshala. It's a new learning series, and I think we are already done with the series 1, series 2, and the series 3 for the commodity Pathshala. We have got an amazing response for the series 1, learning series 1, and learning series 2. And because of that, we are here for the series 3. How many of you are connecting for the first time? Okay, Ramchandran sir, you are connecting for the first time, and I think you are attending this first webinar for the of the Commodity Pathshala. What about others? I'm waiting for everyone's reply. Yes, sir. You can just, if you are not able to hear me, or if you are facing any issue in screen, or if you are not able to see my screen, you just need to re-log in yourself, and you will get it right. First of all. And yes, the question window is just in front of you all, and you can go through that. Oh, okay, Ramchandran sir, had you gone through the Genie webinar then? Wow, for the first time, joined for the first time. Okay, yes. So there are many members, those who are connecting me for the first time. Before giving my introduction, but first of all, I would like to show you people that this is okay, Ramchandran sir. So you can do one thing. You can go through that webinar, and whatever things you are not understanding. Yes, first of all, let me show you people. You can just search the Phoenix Commodities website, and here you will be getting the website of Phoenix Commodities. Those who are connecting with me for the first time, those who are not gone through the previous learning. See, first of all, we are keeping on adding new learning videos over here, and we'll be taking out the previous videos. We'll be keeping on a new on a regular basis. We'll be putting the or adding videos over here, learning videos over here. Today it's a commodity Pathshala part 5. Basically, commodity Pathshala. Yes, Ramchandran sir, I'm coming to your question. But before that, let me make a clear one thing. This commodity Pathshala here, this commodity Pathshala learning series I have started so that I can connect live with you all the commodity traders as well as the interested market participants can connect with me here. We can discuss commodity market trends, technicals, fundamentals, currency fluctuations, and plenty of other things. What all is important to be a successful trader or a commodity trader, what your people should focus on, what exactly, more importantly, what not to focus. That's very important. And why it is important to learn and become an independent rather than following any tips providing services. So yeah, we are not at all into any tips. We are just into training and grooming members for the relatively new segment for the trading, that's a commodity markets. And Yes, definitely we will be discussing the live trade levels as well as the live market, and I will be trying to explore, or will be giving you the exposure of the hidden treasures of commodities. So we are going to discuss plenty of things, and those who have missed previous session, I think the few recordings have been uploaded over here in our website. This is our Phoenix Commodities website. I think one or two videos are missing. They will also upload, so you people can just go through this Phoenix Commodity website, register yourself and go through these recordings. You will be getting the plenty of knowledge for the same. Yes, Somnath sir, voice is very low. Is it for everyone? Am I audible or is there any issue in audio? Shall I change any settings? Yeah, I've changed few settings. Now is it clear, sir? Audible. Okay, all good. Okay, fine. So I think majority of the members have replied that it's better and it's good now. So let's start. Somnath sir, now I think it's better, right? I've just changed few settings. That's great. So this is the basic agenda of the Commodity Pathshala, the new learning series which I've started, as I already discussed with you all. And the previous session or the few webinars have been uploaded in our website. You people can definitely go through that, so that I don't need to repeat the basic things, and we can learn or can explore the new topics and the commodities on every commodity Pathshala part. I don't want to repeat what we have done in the previous session. So I would request all of you to visit our website and go through the recordings as per your convenience. Yes, new videos will be get uploaded as an yeah, on a daily basis, or on a one or two videos will be there on a weekly basis. So we will be doing that. But you people can just look this piece for the learning video. Is it clear? Another thing, those who are connecting us or me for the first time, another important thing, how many of you are already the part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel? How many of you all are part of the Phoenix Commodities free channel? I think all of you are part of the Phoenix Commodities free channel, right? Yes, if not, yeah, if not, you people can be the part of, okay, wait, there are few members, those who are not yet the part of the Phoenix Commodities free channel. See, this is our free channel. You can check the subscribers, you can be the part of this channel. And yes, definitely, I'll be sharing you the link as well. And you can search it right now, and right now you people can be the part of this channel. Here we will be discussing, or here we will be putting up the regular trade levels, live traders levels will be put up over here. Okay, that's great, Somnath sir. So you all should be the part of this Phoenix Commodities free channel for the regular updates about live trade levels, about the commodities, its importance, and many other things will be discussed over here. So those who are not yet been a part of it, please be the part of it today itself. You can check the channel. Don't be the part of the fake channel. Just check the subscribers over here and try to connect to the correct channel. Okay. Now I had already got huge questions. Yes, sir. So I'm going to come to everyone's question. Don't worry for that. But before going ahead, let me give the introduction, quick introduction about myself, and let me lay down today's agenda point. So I'm Hiral Shah, MBA, MCA certified commodity professional, and have more than decade years of teaching experience. Have trained more than 1,000 members under the brand name Phoenix Commodities, and I'm really glad to share that all of them are having gala time trading commodities. Okay. Uh, yes, before going ahead and before coming to everyone's question or replying your questions, or there are many new members today connecting for the commodity Pathshala. Definitely, I'll be taking care of that. I'm already reading your questions, so don't worry for that. Before that, let me lay down today's agenda point. Is there any audio issue? Is it clear? Yes, Somnath sir. Thanks a lot for replying. Thanks a lot for replying. So today's agenda point, definitely we will be analyzing live MCX market. Why technical analysis? Why we are so much focused on technicals? Why technicals are working so beautifully in commodities? Technical analysis and commodities, that's what we are going to discuss today. Leading and lagging indicators, how to use them in the combination. Yes, if we are not able to finish all these things in today's session, don't worry, we'll be taking further in the Thursday session, that is the commodity Pathshala part 6. So we'll be continuing the same session in the next week as well. Next session as well, which has been scheduled on Thursday. Phoenix way of learning and the question answers. Now, as I see that there are many members, those who are connecting for the first time, and they are asking me or the same question, the basic question, that what is the capital required for trading in commodities? So, before going ahead, let me show you people that as well, and then we'll be starting as per our agenda points. So here, let me show you people the RMS live update here of the Allies Blue. I'm showing you people the updates about the Allies Blue. Here you all can see that the capital required for trading this commodities, the list of the all the commodities has been over here. Here you people can see what is the capital required for intraday trading. Yes, the brokerage is like 15. Okay, F15 plan is that, and the brokerage plan is like a F15. So you just need to pay 15 rupees for a single trade, and here is the capital required for trading this commodities. Say by crude oil, it is 82,000, gold mini 36,000, gold pattern, and you people can check it by yourself as I'm showing you people. Okay, या कभी भी अगर आपको कैपिटल चेक करना है, अगर आपको चेक करना है कि कौन से कमोडिटी में कितना मार्जिन लगता है, तो आप खुद ही ये गूगल पे ये चेक कर सकते हैं, and it has been last updated on 24/8, so you will be getting the reply over here. Yes, there are many members, those who are not understanding English. If you are not understanding English and if you have any queries in Hindi, you can put up your question in Hindi. I will be replying your question in Hindi as well. Okay. Yes, Jaidu sir, maybe little bit of impact would be there in the commodities, but we don't need to worry as such, because the margin is just the deposit which we are paying to the, yeah, it is not an expense. The margin requirement is just the deposit which we are paying to exchange. And whenever the SEBI is coming with the new peak margin rule, that can be the reason that the margin can increase. And there can be the possibilities that a margin, they may come up with a new margin in the commodities as well, but they will be making few changes as well. That's what is expected. And if not, then that is just the deposit which we are paying to exchange. We don't need to worry for that, and whatever they are doing, it is good for the traders, so we don't need to worry for that. Even it is actually for good for us, say by the very small traders, those who are having very less capital, means very less capital. They should not be the ruled out, and they should not waste their money, or that they should not face any trouble which was been faced by the retailers when the issue of the Karvi has happened. So I'm not going to explain this complete subject in detail right now, Jaidev sir, and any leverages, they will be coming up with the leverages, Vijay and sir. Okay, but it is good for us basically, because that the Karvi incident has happened. If you will go through that, you will understand that there were many malpractices and the extra leverages were given by the broker, which the CB is now ruling out, and that is just the deposit we are paying. So say by, let me give you people a simple example, as there are many members who are interested to know this. I'm reading your question, Ramchandran sir. Don't worry, I will be taking my class in the simple English language. Okay, if you don't understand anything, you can tell me, I'll be repeating that. So please don't worry for that. Now, let me explain you all. These commodities are being traded globally. First of all, I'll be explaining you why it is very helpful to trade in the commodities. The second thing is that here The market starts early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and it ends at 11:35 p.m. So we are having 14 plus trading hours. So even after other markets are off, say by equity and currency, commodity will be on for the complete day till night, right? So what you can do if you are having less capital, say by right now, if you are having a less margin, then you can start with a commodity like a natural gas. Here you don't need to focus on the multiple commodities as well. If you are focusing on the single commodity, that is also more than enough, because it is having a huge potential to multiply your capital. Say by if you are starting with a 28,000 or 30,000, which is a very reasonable amount, if you are paying the margin of the 30,000, and on a daily basis, if you are earning just 1 point of profit in natural gas, that is 1250 rupees of the profit, then also at the end of the 30 days or at the end of the 20 days, you will be able to multiply your capital. Are you understanding, Jaydev sir? आपका कैपिटल ऐसे ही मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा अगर आप सिस्टमेटिक वे से उसको ग्रो करोगे. मींस इट्स वेरी सिंपल इन commodities because these commodities are being traded globally. Manipulation is almost near to nil. No two companies or the proprietors of the company can change the price of these commodities for their personal agenda. It is not possible, correct? Technicals works like a magic in this commodities, and if you will learn how to mint this commodities, I would say sky is the limit. I'm just telling to get 1 point of profit per day, then also easily you will able to multiply your capital in 1 month. From 30k you can convert it to 60k, from 60k again you can convert it into 90k, and so on, and can add that same capital for trading the other commodities. It is just the margin which you are paying, it's just like the deposit. So you can even start with the less capital and can easily multiply your capital with this commodities, because commodities are having a huge potential to multiply your capital. हाँ नीतीश सर, 30,000 में चालू हो जाएगा एनजी में इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग. Is it clear? So this is the journey. Even अगर आपका इससे भी ज्यादा कम है कैपिटल, तो आप सिल्वर माइक्रो सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सिल्वर मिनी में भी इतना ही कैपिटल चाहिए, और ये बहुत कम कमोडिटीज है. हम लोगों को ज्यादा कमोडिटीज देखनी भी नहीं पड़ती है, बिकॉज हार्डली वी आर हैविंग 8 to 9 commodities which are being traded globally. Okay, see by here I'm just opening the MCX website in front of you all. You all can see that there are hardly 8 to 9 commodities which you need to focus. And you just need to master their moves. You just need to understand, or you just need to pick the perfect vein of this commodities. If you are just trading on the single commodity, then also believe me, you can achieve all your target by just trading 1 or 2 commodities. Slowly you can increase it and can definitely double your capital. Yes, now that is a very good question. Options are also picking up. See, you people would be trading in equities, right? If not in commodities, you all will be trading in equities. What do you all say? You already know that option trading, option selling, Nifty, Bank Nifty, they are already at their maturity phase, correct? But the commodities, the huge opportunities is going to come ahead. Options are picking up. See, by if I want to show you people the options, and if you want to check the most active put and calls, you can just go through this MCX website, and as I'm showing you people, you can check it over here. Options are, the volumes of the options are picking up. You can just select over here whatever commodities you want, and you will be getting the complete list of the, yes, or you can select the all, and you will be getting the most active option. And other sort of informations are also available over here, say by option change, etc., whatever you want. to know top gainers, top losers. This website is very, very resourceful. Yes, option chain as well. So options are picking up. Still, the volumes are picking up the options, and it's not only like that. The indices are already there. MCX, Bulltax, and the metal index are already there, and their volumes are also picking up. So huge, the growth curve of the commodities is a very, very huge. In short, I would like to say that within the 10 years, within the 5 to 10 years, we'll be seeing the complete different scenario what we are having right now in the commodities. Right now also it is going perfectly well. It is giving the huge opportunities to take wonderful trades and mint or multiply our capital. Okay, and still the growth opportunity is yeah, upcoming growth opportunity is a huge in commodities. So I would congratulate you people that you are at the right time at the right place to invest in your learnings. I'm really happy that you are investing your valuable time in learnings right now, because it's definitely going to pay you back. So yes, options are also an option in the commodities. Means if you don't have a huge capital, then you can even go for the options. And right now, in the future itself, we are getting the strong moves. So we are not focusing too much on options, and we are better. We are focusing only on the futures. Okay, Jaydev sir, I think hopefully I have answered your questions, right? Now, yeah, definitely, sir. We will be discussing today's live trades. Why not? See, today is Tuesday. If you people will be checking, or how many of you are checking the levels which have been put up in our Phoenix Commodities free channel? Can I get a quick reply? How many of you are checking the levels which we are putting up early in the morning before market opens? Every day we are coming up with the new levels. How is it working? Come on, tell me. Yes, Jiva sir. How are you, sir? Yeah, so you were not there in the previous session, sir. Is it giving good results? Yeah, today zinc was given like in the early in the morning, 9:16 p.m. And I'll be showing you people in the charts as well. Crude has not executed. We missed the execution in the crude buy level. So forget about that. Crude buy levels were given, right? And I think we have missed the execution in that. Yeah, just a minute. Yes. So here you people can see this is the crude chart. Okay, we'll be checking the Gini levels as well. Ramchandran sir, agar aapko, if you're not understanding anything for the Gini, you can just do one thing. First of all, you should go through the Gini webinar. Ramchandran sir, are you there? Yes, first of all, you should go through the Gini webinar. Second thing is that whatever you are not understanding, you should put up the question in the support line. You should check, or you can talk with the support team. You can ask them that these are the things which I'm not understanding, and believe me, team will help you a lot. Okay, because this webinar is not for that, so I will not able to. But still, you can put up your one or two questions, sir, but support team will guide you in a better way, and they will explain you completely in detail. Okay, sir, please don't worry for that. You are already the part of the Phoenix Commodities, so you don't need to worry, sir. The complete team will be helping you for the same, sir. Yeah, so team will help you. So that happens every day, won't be the same in the market, but the thing is that you need to check the overall yeah, you need to check it on the monthly basis, right, Ramchandran sir? Otherwise, how you are enjoying it? Forget about that first day. What about other days, sir? Great. Okay, that's wonderful, sir. See by Genie, sorry, see by in our free channel, there's the zinc levels were given, and here you can see that the zinc cell was given at 248.20, somewhat like that, right? And it has made the low of 247.25. Still it is at the resistance zone, and we had already gained 1 point of profit, that is 5,000 rupees of profit, almost nearly 5,000 rupees of the profit per point. And I think these levels had worked twice or thrice, right? So this is the power of the advanced trade levels which we put up. So see by the levels were put up early in the morning, 9:16 16 p.m. and it has given the wonderful results right now. This this is what I used to tell you people, that technicals works like a magic in commodities. Yes, Kumar sir, you are most welcome, Gaurav sir, and you should not be late for that. Okay, Ramchandran sir, you just put up a message to technical team, they will forward me. Okay, don't worry for that. And yeah, so now let me show you something important. See, the same levels are working wonderfully for multiple times. Why so? Because these levels, our technical team is working very hard to come up with the research, or our technical setup is working amazingly, and these commodities are being traded globally. This is for the new members, those who are trading commodities, those who have started that journey in the commodities. It is for them. This commodities are being traded globally. मतलब खाली आप इंडिया में बैठ के ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया में बैठ के लोग ये commodities में ट्रेड करते हैं. Or, and if you are having a global account, say by if you are having any of your friend or relatives, those who are living in the US, even you can trade in that account. So you can just mint in dollars as well. So this zinc has worked perfectly. Even the nickel, I think so, it has given the first target, and it has already reversed. Yeah, I will be coming up the offer, as you people are asking me that what is the best offer to go for this batch 17. Yeah, definitely sir, I will be explaining you, and I'm really happy to see that the majority of the members are keen for learnings. Believe me, it's my gentle request from my side, those who are interested in trading in commodities, just remember one thing. There are many big B's. Okay, I won't be repeating, or I won't be telling this to all of the class in every class. But as I can see today, say that there are many members, say by Rajendran sir, Kumar sir, or Ramchandran sir. There are many members, those who are interested for learnings. You should understand one thing, that there are many big B's, or the big time traders, those who are very, very successful traders right now, they had started that journey with commodities. Don't forget one thing, that these commodities are having a huge potential to multiply your capital quite easily, because they are being traded globally, and we are getting a twice or a thrice a strong trending market in this commodities. If you are able to pick, or if you are being consistent, if you are focused in your learnings, then the sky is the limit, as our members are doing it. It's, and a gentle request which I was sharing with you all, it's that, or it's a humble request, that don't invest, or don't start your trading without knowledge, because it is having a huge potential to multiply your capital. But if you are not having proper knowledge, then always remember one thing, it's easy to earn, but it's easier to lose. So all of you, please do spend time or invest in your learnings, and then go for, or then start your trading journey. Believe me, sky is the limit. There are the many members, those who are working professionals, as I have already getting the questions for that, that even the working professional, yes, you can trade even after 10 o'clock. You can trade in the morning. Yes, yes, Vishal sir. Why not? I will be sharing with you all, as there are many newcomers today in today's class. I will be explaining you, and you can also go through the recordings of our previous webinar, Vishal sir, from the first step. Yeah, definitely will be helping you for that. And there are many housewives, there are many students, there are many doctors, there are many engineers. They are easily multiplying their capital at that convenient time. Okay, so you can take a pie of it, but first of all invest in your learning, then jump for this adventure. Otherwise this adventure can turn into misadventure. right? Now, yeah, let me show you people first of all today's levels or the Gini levels. Yes, yes, sir, definitely I'll be showing you. See, by the crude we were first the Gini put up the cell levels and then the buy levels were put up by the Gini, and I think it has given almost 7. Yes, Ramchandran sir, as I told you, there are many such members, those who are retired. I'm blessed with having a wonderful members in the group from batch 1 to batch 16. Sorry, batch 1 to batch 16, and there are many senior members, those who are also asking for the same, and they are doing wonderful job, Ramchandran sir. So don't worry, don't need to worry for that. You can easily multiply your capital, sir. Yes, Kumar sir, my classes will be in the simple English language because I always get the combination of the crowd. That would be like Hindi, and majority members would be knowing English. So I will be taking my classes in the simple English language. But yes, अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और कोई क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ भी आपको क्वेश्चन है, तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो, हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हो और मैं आपको हिंदी में भी रिप्लाई कर दूंगी. वैसे ही yeah, it would be easy then. सो कुमार सर, इट वुड बी सिंपल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, और हिंदी में कभी भी जब भी आपको चाहिए तभी हिंदी में भी रिपीट करके मैं बता सकती हूँ, पर पूरा क्लास हिंदी में इतने that huge members won't be there for the Hindi class only, so I'll have to take care of English and Hindi, so it would be like Hindi English or English Hindi, somewhat like that, right? बट डोंट वरी, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट, सो प्लीज डोंट वरी, बिकॉज काफी तरह ऐसा ही होता है कि जिन लोगों को हिंदी आती है उन लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत तो इंग्लिश आता ही है, पर जिन लोगों को हिंदी नहीं आती है उन लोगों को बिल्कुल ही हिंदी नहीं आती है, तो इसके लिए क्लासेस बेसिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में रहता है, और जो भी चाहिए वो आपको हिंदी में भी रिपीट कर दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? Which requires less than 10K will be useful. Okay, Jiva sir definitely will be taking care of this, and the silver micro levels will be put up very soon from today itself. Don't worry, Jiva sir. Okay, yeah, now let me come up to the crude also. Yes, yes, sir. I'm coming to your question also. I'm getting very good questions today, very good crowd. Uh, uh, yes, so definitely I'll be focusing on your question. Don't worry, sir. That's a wonderful questions which I am coming across today. That's great. It's okay if we are not finishing today's topic of the agenda point, we'll be carry forwarding in the next class. So please don't worry for that. And yes, Vishal sir will be starting from the basic as well. Don't worry. So this is the live call which was given by Jeannie. And from 93, I think 4891, Jeannie was able to pick this bottom today morning, and it has already given the 70 points of profit. So crude has also given wonderful result. Even gold, I think gold may so point, matlab gold is like a mega gold. 1 point will be giving you 100 rupees, so it's a, you people can just understand what would be the profit at the 100 points. Come on, tell me. It's a huge profit, right? 10,000 rupees, and it is very simple. We have scored almost 133 points of profit, that is 13,300 rupees of profit in the gold mega. So every day you people would be looking at the Excel sheet which we are putting up in the channel. There are more than 186 members. They are already trading on these levels. Whatever we are showing in our Excel sheet, it is 100% live and transparent. Okay, so Vishal sir, this was about our Phoenix Commodity Free channel and the levels as well. Yes, today's trade levels and today's evening levels I will be discussing. But before that, this is for the members, those who are connecting for me for the first time. Aditya sir, that depends on the individual. That if you are fond of trading view, you can definitely use a trading view, or even you can use a Zerodha, you can even use the investing.com, because this is the global script where we need to check the globally script, right? So only Zerodha won't be suffice. Aditya sir, are you understanding? See, by in the investing.com, you can check the all the global scripts, and um, our research or our Majority of the levels are being prepared on the basis of the global chart, and it's not on the basis of the MCX chart. Are you understanding, Aditya sir? So say by if I am opening the crude global chart over here. So as I told you, Vishal sir, as you are very new, I'm just telling you people that this commodities are being traded globally. So the MCX chart which I showed you works for 14 hours, but this globally traded script works for 23 hours a day. It sleeps only for 1 hour. ये खाली एक ही घंटा के लिए बंद रहता है, बाकी पूरा it works for 23 hours a day, and majority of our levels have been prepared on this global script. Say by before market hours जो भी हम लोग levels ready करते हैं तो वो global script के हिसाब से करते हैं, because our MCX script is a mirror image of this globally traded script, and it is not only for the crude oil, but it is for all the commodities. And this is like a biggest advantage of trading in commodities. We are getting the levels before our market opens. Okay, let us understand few other important things why one should study commodities. So I'll be explaining you that, and this would be specifically for the new members like Vishal sir. You please be focused over here. See, by first of all high leverage, basically ये commodities की actual price अगर आप देखोगे, if you will be comparing the actual price of this commodities, you are just paying 4 to 10% of the actual price, because this commodities is having this commodity segment itself, we are getting the very good leverage. Margin requirement are just 4 to 6%, around 4 to 6% of the actual cost of that commodities. And now the next biggest advantage of trading in commodities is less manipulation. See, as I told you, all these commodities are being traded globally. It is having the global means it is actually used. Say by crude, everybody in the world would be using crude some or other way. Am I right? Everybody would be using the crude in the some or other way. Same way the natural gas, it has been highly used in the US and in the Indian market and the heaters. In the same way, if you will be checking copper, base metals, all the base metals, copper, nickel, zinc, और बुलियंस गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर दे आर हैविंग द एक्चुअल यूजेज. मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि कोई एक दो प्रोप्राइटर को फायदा होने के लिए वो पूरा प्राइस मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हैं, वैसा कमोडिटीज में नहीं हो सकता है. That would be very less manipulation. The price rigging is not possible in the commodities, and this is the biggest advantage of trading in commodities. Technicals works like a magic. कुमार सर, लेवल्स तो शायद एक और दो बार देते हैं, पर जिसको भी सी बाई एज यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन लर्निंग्स, राइट, अगर आपको सीखना ही है तो आप जितनी बार चाहिए उतनी बार अपने खुद के लेवल्स बना सकते हैं ग्लोबल चार्ट के हिसाब से. तो जो भी लर्निंग में इंटरेस्ट रखता है उनको तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, वो खुद ही अपने लेवल्स बना सकते हैं अपने टाइम के हिसाब से, और वो जीनी से बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लेवल्स भी बना सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल, देयर इज नो रॉकेट साइंस, इट इज ऑल बेस्ड ऑन द प्रॉपर टेक्निकल सेटअप एंड पिंच ऑफ फंडामेंटल्स. थोड़ा फंडामेंटल और पूरा रॉबस्ट टेक्निकल सेटअप बहुत अच्छी एक्यूरेसी देता है कमोडिटीज में. Okay, next is a different asset class. Now, commodity, see by gold, silver, it is a definitely the diversification in anyone's portfolio. As an Indian, I think that in India, all of us would be interested in our investment in the bullions, right? Gold and silver. Some or other, we would be investing in the gold and silver. So definitely, because it's like the portfolio diversification, it's a natural, it is a different asset class, and it is a natural hedge. So whenever other platform is not performing well, this bullions can give us a good result. Again, the hedging, it acts as a natural hedge against the inflation, currency fluctuations, because this commodities, in short, I would like to say, like it's like a buffer against losses. It's a natural hedge Again, flexible timing. So like the people who are engineers, the doctors, even the housewives, even students, retired members, they can take an advantage of trading 14 plus trading hours, and it can be definitely a very good secondary source of income. You people won't believe, forget about secondary source of, the people are starting this commodities as a secondary source of income, पर उनको ही पता नहीं चलता है कि कभी ये secondary source का source of income is outgrowing their primary source of income. Believe me, this is happening. The people are not realizing when this secondary source of income outgrows their primary source of income, that huge potential these commodities are having. Believe me, it's having a very huge potential. I'll be showing you, I'm not only telling you people. If you people are really interested in your learnings, then go through the Phoenix Commodities free channel. This has been maintained since last 3 years. Not a single day we have missed putting up the crude view, crude levels, and all the commodities. You just check the accuracy. So I'm not only telling you people, I'm also showing you people, this is the power of commodities. Technicals works wonderfully. Once again, I will be telling you people, here the participation is a huge, manipulation is almost near to nil, and it respects technicals like anything. So these are the few advantages of trading in commodities. There are many hidden treasures of commodities, which I will be exploring in this commodity Pathshala on a regular basis. So yeah, before going this and being the techno fundamental, yes, first of all, I will be answering your questions as well. Don't worry, sir. So here, if yes, as you people are asking me, what is the accuracy and how much we can score through this commodities, how much we can earn through this commodities. So sir, it depends on individual. The more the time and the more focused you would be, you will be easily able to multiply your capital with this commodities. Whenever, say by, as you people are asking how it works. So whenever you people are being the part of the batch 17, you will be, see this members are just like multiplying their capital quite easily. You will be the part of such a collaborative learning platform. See by, this is the batch 15. All of you can see more than 95 members are sitting over here in this batch 15, and here you people can see how beautifully they are multiplying their capital. It is like they share their research ideas, they share their entry levels, they share their exit levels, and they learn and earn together. It's a collaborative learning platform. See, but this is the batch 15. If you will be checking the batch 16, from night till date, there are thousands of messages. You won't believe this batch 16 is going on. It is going on. This batch 16 is going on, and if you people will check, it is taking time to upload. See the beautiful charts which they are ready with. They are doing their research, they are learning and earning together. They are doing wonderful job. Already there are many members, those who are done with their fees, and they are doing amazing work. It is still ongoing batch. It is not yet completed, and it is a collaborative learning platform. मतलब इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे मुझे थोड़ा बहुत आता है, आपको थोड़ा बहुत आता है, तो हम दोनों जब भी डिस्कस करते हैं तो ये तो ज्यादा ही हो जाता है. मतलब कि if I'm knowing 50%, if you are knowing 90%, and then collectively we are knowing 140%. This is how it goes. Yes, Kumar sir, you can definitely do that, but first invest in your learnings. Okay, see these members, they are preparing charts so nicely. They are putting up their entry, exit, why, the reason for that trade, why to go for the trade. Everything has been shared over here. हाँ, LIS Blue में आप ले सकते हो और अकाउंट भी खुलवा सकते हो, और फिनिक्स कमोडिटीज के अंदर खुलवाओगे तो आपको उसका भी फायदा रहेगा थोड़ा बहुत. So this is like a collaborative learning platform. Batch 1 से batch 16 के सभी group अभी तक active है. All the groups are active. They are learning and earning together. And coming to the Genie and the Masters channel. So what is Genie? Genie MCX Genie is a in-house technical team. They are putting up the trade levels and the Excel sheet of past 3 years have been posted in the Phoenix Commodities testimonials. अगर आपको check करना है, if you want to check it, if you want to check the accuracy of this, you can just go through this. You will be getting the Excel sheet of a previous 3 years, and you will be, yes, I'll be showing you right now, and you can check over that the accuracy of the intraday trading. Yes, we are just focusing on the intraday because in the intraday itself we are making huge profits, and why we should focus on the for the or should take overnight risk. Yes, positionally also it works amazingly. So you can check the Excel sheet of the previous 3 years. Everything has been put up over here. Everything is very much live and transparent. So please don't worry for that. Learnings are assured at Phoenix Commodities. Don't worry for that. And definitely the learning is going to, yes, it is going to pay you back. It is going to pay you back huge. Now coming to this Phoenix, yes, that is true. If you people will go through the testimonials and if you want to check, yeah, I will be explaining master's channel also. Definitely, sir. I've got few more questions. So I'm coming to the master's channel. Here you people can see masters are the members of our batch 1 to batch 16 or 15 batch. 16 batches yet to complete, and they are sharing their research ideas and they are trading on the same research ideas which they are putting up. It is a collaborative learning platform. It is like a helping hand. It is like a helping hand to our members, those who are learning, those who are new members, those बहुत ही नए हैं, अभी सीखना शुरू करते हैं, तो कर रहे हो उन लोगों को क्लासेस के साथ साथ जीनी और मास्टर्स के लेवल्स बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करते हैं. इट इज लाइक अ कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यू कैन लर्न एंड अर्न टुगेदर. Don't go behind only the Genie, because it would be difficult for you people to trade on only the Genie levels because you have not done the complete course. It is always good to go for the complete course, learn, focus on your learnings, and then after once you are learned, you can use the Genie and Masters channel to recover your fees back. Because just think about that. See, by Phoenix Commodities, it is this commodities are working for 14 plus hours. Okay, now the offer for the batch 17 is like that. Offer two is the offer one is already sold out. Okay, offer one is already sold out, and the offer two is that first 20 registration will be getting 3 months of Genie free. Otherwise, we are giving the 2 months of Genie and Masters channel free, which is giving you the levels for the complete day almost. So you people can just imagine that 20 days once you are learned, with the help of the Genie and Masters channel, you can easily multiply your capital. You will not only recover your fees, but you will able to even multiply it. So the offer is too good, and the biggest advantage is that the batch 16 which is going right now, it is a combination of the Hindi and the English members. So I have also repeated few things in Hindi in that class, and that class is I think almost more than 1 month is completed. Though our session are for 21 days, but I had not yet completed because it's a wonderful group of members, and I'm doing a huge clarification has been done in the live market. So it's a batch is still going on. It will take, yeah, it's almost 1 month, and you will be getting the recordings of that 16th batch right now if you will be paying for the batch 17. You can go through the recordings, you can start your learnings right now, and you can be ready for your class which will be taken in the live market. Again, the classes will be in the live market 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday evening 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in the live market. So yeah, all the learnings will be in the live market. True. That's true, sir. Very less seats are left for the batch offer 2. Offer 1 is already done. So those who are interested, please don't delay for that and start your learnings from today itself. Don't let your fire to go on for your learnings. It's definitely going to pay back you. For further questions regarding the batch or any confusion or the offer, you people can contact our support team. They will explain you in detail. Now coming to the technicals, yes, I've got few other questions also, and already the time is running very fast. So for coming to the technicals, why technicals are working so nicely, why technicals are giving such an amazing result, let me show you people one another thing. See, by this commodities or our MCX chart is a mirror image of this global script. Okay, so say by, if you people will check or if you people will compare, say by this purple line you people can see is the MCX crude oil. This black line which you people can see, it is a global chart. So if you people will check, the both the script will be making a same sort of pattern. They are making the same sort of pattern. They are just moving hand in hand. And here you all can see that some days our MCX chart would be making the higher high than this purple line. Otherwise, they both are making same sort of pattern. Our MCX chart are mirror image of this global chart. The only difference is the green line, that is the USD INR line. So whenever the USD INR is making higher high, at that time our MCX chart will be making the higher high than this global chart. Otherwise, they both are making same sort of pattern. So we can do our research on this global chart and can implement it as per our convenience. We can be ready with our advanced level and can conveniently trade in this commodities, and the accuracy is amazing. So these are the few advantages of trading in commodities. Okay. And now further, what the technical indicators we should be using in this commodities, or what are, see, I can't explain the complete setup. That is not possible because I firmly believe in the in-depth learnings of this commodities. If you will not understand the concept in depth, then you will not get a good results. And the strategy may work once or twice and it may not work. But if you are having in-depth knowledge, if you know the advantages and disadvantages of the setup what you are using, then you can gain the amazing results. So that will be carried forwarding in the next session. In the upcoming session, we'll be discussing the pros and cons of the technical indicators and the setups in the globally traded script. So definitely we'll be discussing that. Let's meet Thursday evening 4 to 5 o'clock once again in the commodity Pathshala part 6. Hopefully you people would have enjoyed, and first of all, thanks all of you for engaging yourself since the last 1 hour. Definitely you people would have got little bit insights about the commodities and its importance in India and the world. Am I right? Have a nice day and thanks a lot. Let's meet Thursday evening 4 to 5 p.m. Commodity Pathshala part 6. Yeah. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you.